In this lecture, we understand the key technical requirements that need to be considered when developing an e-commerce application. Those technical requirements are accessibility, availability, security, performance, and scalability. The accessibility requires that applications can be accessible from any devices connected to the internet, such as personal computer, laptop, tablet, and smartphone. And the availability requires that users can access the applications anytime, 24/7. For security, authentication is required for all users except visitors, and authorization is required in the admin control panel based on user roles such as editor, assistant, salesperson, shipper, and passwords are not stored directly in the database, and payment must be secured. For performance, the applications must have fast response time and no request take longer than 4 seconds. And for scalability, the applications can be scaled on demand and running well under load. And the backend and frontend applications can be scaled separately.